So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
JJLEE Squad, what's up? Your boys off of work. I'm going straight to the tire shop. It's a tire shop that I always go to. Hook me up. My picture of my car is on their website, so it's called Alvarado Tire Shop. They're gonna hook me up, balance all the tires, and put them on for almost about 80, 90 bucks, man. So I'm happy. I got a tire riding passenger, 2 tires in the back, and 1 tire in the trunk. So that's how you do it. And I probably could have fit 2 in the front, I don't know, but I wasn't gonna try it. But yeah, that's how you put 4 tires in a 2-door car. But anyway, who that? But anyway, man, I will catch y'all later. One, I'm at the tire shop while I'm getting this stuff done. Peace, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm getting stuff done. I'm gonna show y'all how good it looks from the back, boy. I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. Just stay tuned, y'all. Right now I'm driving, which ain't pretty too safe like that, but I don't know, actually. But yeah, just stay tuned, man. These tires actually smell pretty good. But yeah, it was a pretty easy day. But I will catch y'all in a second. Yes, sir. Bye. Say goodbye to the tire letters for now, man. This is my place right here, boy. Not bad, man. Can't wait. Dang, yeah, these are dying anyway, y'all. Dang. Yep, it's about time. JJLEE Squad, the tires are installed. And it was a moment where I thought these mugs was gonna rub me. Even everybody at the tire shop was like, man, let's see. When it was up in the air, it was up on the fender, but when it wasn't, it was real good, bro. Let me show y'all. But it looks real beefy, but it's like naked, bro. My car is naked. But look at, I don't care about the front, bro. The back, though. Look at the back, man. Look how beefy that looks. You gotta go to the side real quick. Excuse the stickers. See, look at that. Look how wide, look how much tire is sticking out, bro. Look how much tire is sticking out right to the side, bro. That looks so good. I don't know, bro. But it does look really naked without the tire stickers, right? But let me go ahead and show the front. This is all new 4 tires, but even the tire dude was like, he said, man, maybe you should have went a little wider on the front too. But he was like, hey, it's beefy, bro. Like real beefy. It's all new. Like I said, 315's, bro. Like when I got them, it was like up on the side of the fender right here. But it's a lot of space. I hope I'm gonna put y'all back here. Yeah, see? So you can rock 315's on the Challenger if it's in there. But yeah. You can rock 315's. It's looking pretty dang good, especially from the back, man. Real good, especially from the back. Like I said, look at real quickie. Look at that sticking out, bro. I gotta get my tire stickers. I'm gonna order them today, so my stuff ain't too naked, cause it's kind of like on Tall Guy and them saying you gotta have tire stickers now, bro. You got to. But other than that, the tires are on JJLEE Squad. I'm happy. The ride is smooth. I do feel a little better get up and go, man. And I'll do another video testing them out. But other than that, man, it looks pretty dang good. Excuse the car. I know it is very dirty, but she is looking very clean. Dirty but clean. Jesus Christ. Look at that rear tire though, bro. You are kidding me, bro. Look at it. And look how beefy it is, bro. Don't sleep on me, bro. That looks too good. That looks too freaking good, y'all. I don't know how many times I'm going the back, but I'll probably get some pictures and stuff during this video. The tires are like a quick side profile of it, bro. just a quick side profile of it. But other than that, man, I'm really happy with this purchase. It was smart. Instead of me freaking you know, wasting my money, I put it in there, and it wasn't. I wouldn't even say it was a lot. This is a need to. I should have did this like when I first got the tires. Well, when I first got my car, honestly. The first thing I did was like a muffler delete. But other than that, man, yeah, that is pretty much it, man. The baby's looking good. The orange demon's looking good. Shout out to Dizzy Devil. Me and him are working on something to the point of where the orange demon has an alter ego. But just stay tuned. There's gonna be new details and stuff other than that. But yeah, man. Baby sounding good, looking good. Decals coming from that. Decals coming from the window. May change my Instagram, so that's gonna be changed. So yeah, man, just stay tuned, man. I'm glad I showed y'all this video real quickie of the tires. Got a few pictures for y'all. Gotta have a good thumbnail. I love making thumbnails now, but like I said, man, there she go. She a little naked. Like I said, oh God, man, she is naked. She is naked. These wheels are naked. But other than that, man, it's hot as freak. Oh yeah. I forgot. I am keeping the front ones. The front ones weren't bad at all, but you know, the front ones had tire stickers, and you know they were old, but they still got good tread on them. So I'm keeping those just in case. Can never be too safe. Just in case the one in the back one go out, I can put that on there real quick. Get the other one patched. There you go. I am going to be looking for a rim, but other than that, yeah, I'm keeping both of the front ones. The back ones were bad. They were bad. Like I said, I was sliding in the rain. I was sliding in the rain, going at least 60, 65. So, of course, I'm gonna try some 0 to 60s later on the off day. Other than that, but like I said, I guess I can give y'all a few revs real quick. Just cause your boy's a little happy, I can give y'all a few revs and just show it to y'all. How y'all like that? Well, it's a cute little rest for y'all, man. You know, I just wanted to show off a little bit. I'm happy about my purchase I got. But I guess that's it. I will catch y'all later. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm out of here. Peace. JJLEE Squad. This is a little after that video is over. Check the mail. Guess what came from the tail lights? Orange RT, orange demon, RT, bam. There you go. It's reflective orange. Also, I'm changing the Instagram name to JJLEE Productions. So I'm gonna take that off with a razor blade, sadly. But I got new ones coming. Look at that. Got new wider tires and a new decal for the video. Also, I got new decals coming right there. Sorry for that abrupt cutoff, but I'm putting the decal on and I almost stopped the video. But anyway, yep. This is sitting pretty, man. I'm very happy with the... Let me go ahead and give y'all a peek of the meat. Oh, shoot, pause. But, yep, I got a new decal. Matching that one, orange. Just a little quick surprise little install for y'all after the tires are being installed. So, like, kind of like 2 videos in one, maybe. Nah, it's just 1 video. But I will catch y'all later. I'm saying it again. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and I will catch y'all later.